and welcome back to Sunday Live Chat. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for amazing support. And if you're new, you're welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss anything that I'm going to upload next on this channel. Well, guys, bayalilizela kwa MABUYA. Congratulations messages are pouring in for SIVE MABUYA after she posted a picture of herself wearing her Magoti t-shirt, caption a cow and a ring, which simple means her husband to be ubezokhokha amalobolo and they are getting married. Actually, guys, she's been posting her partner on her Instagram page for quite some times now. SIVE MABUYA is well known for her character on Scandal as Xolile, and she's currently playing Francina, a heartless orphan on Mzansi Magic season 2 telenovela Mzali Wami. Guys, we wish her all the best. If you love her, send some love on the comment section. Bye.